Something supernatural happened to me a year ago, and I want to share it with you. So, if this is your first time in this channel, welcome. My name is Carlos, and I do 3D printing and sculpting. The supernatural thing that happened, it happened with one of my sculptures. So, one of the things that I do is that I create sculpture with many materials, from cement to polymer clay, and also I have done many with monster clay. I already talked about in another video that I'm gonna melt this. I didn't have time. I wanted to melt it and create something for Halloween. I'm gonna do that. You're gonna see it soon. But this type of clay is meant kinda to be melted and then reused. Even just touching it, even just the heat from the environment will make it soft. I'm telling you this because I have done many sculptures. I'm going to show you some, and I'm going to show you the one. This is not the one, but I'm going to show you the one that I'm talking about. What happened is that on the back over here, you can see that I have a little bit of a mess. But I have a lot of my sculptures. Some are polymer clay, some are cement, some are 3D printing, some are monster clay. And I have this piece. Then from the first day that I finished and I put it on these cubes, I went to sleep. And I remember in the morning just waking up, and I came to this room that is my office to grab my watch, or I don't remember why. But before going to work, I came and it was on the floor. I said, okay, something happened. I didn't put it the right way, and I just put it back. I went back to work at night. It was on the floor. And I said, okay, whoops, maybe I did something wrong with the base. It's not flat enough. It has something that is making them just go to the ground. And that happened for the whole month, every single day. I should have recorded. Should have recorded. I didn't thought about it. I didn't think about anything weird until a little bit later, of course. But it kept falling. I kept moving it around. I kept shaping it. I kept making sure that why was this happening? It was flat. The piece is not really big. And I pushed it even a little bit farther away, and it kept being on the floor. One time, like the sixth time, I don't remember, I was working on something, and then I had something that hit my head. And I'm like, who punched me? No, I really felt something hitting me. And I turned around, and to be honest, I really got scared because no one is here. What was it? It was my piece. I put it higher, but it was like deeper, and it hit my head, went to the floor. It took me time to pick it up because I was really surprised. But I pick it up, put it back again. I fix it, hit the floor, and then deform a little bit the nose and part of the base. So I said, okay, maybe just my imagination, but still, what happened? So, like I mentioned, it was almost the whole month, 20, 30 times. I don't really remember, just remember every single day I had to come and just pick it up. I was already planning on putting a lot of my pieces because this type of clay is really easy to get dirty just because of the environment. It's even worse than polymer clay. So I decided, okay, I'm just gonna put it somewhere. Since I started my journey with this material, I wanted to have like a glass box or something to protect it. Those are expensive. It's kind of funny because I find a vintage kind of cabinet where to put it. And I start putting all my pieces there, including this one that I'm going to show you in a moment. Nothing has happened after that, but I have to mention certain things. First of all, for those people that have followed my channel, you may notice that the wall behind me changed, not the color. And that's because I was in another room, not just across in my same house, just across the hallway. And in that room is when everything happened. But it was kind of funny that I think the previous owner had like a kid in that room. No, that was a kid's room. And I'm saying this because the knob was a shape of a football. The light also was a shape of a baseball. One curious thing that I didn't thought about it, I didn't took photos because I didn't thought it was important. That room is the only one that has carpet, which also was kind of strange. Everything else is wood floor. But in the corner, it was It's kind of hard to explain because it had some damage. It looks like torn apart, but at the same time, it looks like burned. Just something weird. And I know I should have take a photo, but I didn't. The point is that the wood was kind of missing some pieces and it was kind of burned, but nothing around it. All this was in the corner, and on the walls you don't see anything. I mean, they could have painted maybe, but you don't see any residue. It's like nothing happened. But the damage was on the floor. It got fixed. But that was interesting. And I'm saying this because probably you're curious which sculptor was the one that kept falling and falling and falling. And from all these pieces, which one you think is the one that kept falling and falling? Well, it was this one, Dobby. Like you can see, I can push it around and it's stable. It's too small to really have some weights or anything that will push it. And I'm still kind of curious why it happened. My version, or what I'm been telling myself, and I think that's true, is that just the environment in my room was maybe too hot, and then slowly that part of it was melting, and something with the its own weight is just push it out of the cube. Maybe that's the version I'm gonna keep with me. And but if you like art, subscribe, enjoy creating this 3D printing and sculpting channel, and let me know. Let me know if you had any experience with your art or any other thing in life. Share in the comment below. Enjoy art and see you next time.